using the 5-axis turning and milling center engineered for multi-process efficiency and superior part accuracy. With a 5/730mm maximum rotating diameter, a 5/630mm machining diameter, and a 675mm machining height, the machine delivers strong processing capacity and a compact footprint for stable machining of medium to large components. Equipped with a 15-inch/18-inch chuck, a 2000/2500 RPM spindle, and a high-torque 42/21 kilowatt drive, it offers the speed and cutting force needed for both precision work and heavy-duty operations. By completing turning, milling, drilling, and tapping in a single setup, the machine minimizes repositioning errors, enhances machining accuracy, and significantly boosts overall productivity across diverse and complex part geometries.